What a day, what a day, what a day. Y'all see what it is. What up, what up? Let me look. Now, what up? So, today, right, I've been going on one every day, dropping jewels, right? Dropping jewels on my, like, Facebook, my Instagram, all my social media, right? My YouTube. Everything you can think about, I've been dropping gems, right? About entrepreneurship, how to make nothing into something and stuff like that, and just trying to motivate all of us, you know, like my boy Nip, RIP, said, to inspire, that's the highest act of humanity. So hopefully I can inspire like some people to do better and stuff like that. So what I get like on my YouTube channels and stuff like that, people always ask me like about a lot of the stuff that I do. Some people pay me, some people just want the game for free, and some people just, you know, don't even accept the game. But all in all, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try my best like to keep informing, keep giving free game and stuff like that. Like I say, everything ain't free when this comes to business. You're gonna have to pay. But with that being said, I got a question. I'm gonna answer this question as best as I can in the best layman term, from street shit to regular shit to corporate shit. Somebody asked me like, what's the best form of marketing? To this day, like, how can I get my business out there? Like, I don't know how to market. I've been having a business and it seemed like it's not going nowhere. I've been having it for a few years, but I watch you every time you start a business, it seems like you're real successful. Now, don't get me wrong, everything glitter ain't gold, right? It been some times like man, like I was so stagnated on what to do, how to do it, and when to do it, I was lost. A lot of my business failed, but you know, that's what I'm saying. It's not a fail, it's not an L. I'm trying to get him to move. Yeah, move. I'm about to pull in, right? Just back up and I'm gonna pull in front of you. So like I was saying, a lot of my businesses wasn't a fail, it was a learning lesson, an L. It wasn't a loss, it was a learning lesson. So with that being said, my best form, when people ask me about marketing and one-on-one and how do I market, how do I promote, first thing I do, I take it word of mouth. Now, word of mouth always and always will be, to me, for years and before I start business, a lot of people business, word of mouth was the best advertisement and promotion, and it still is, right? So with that being said, just like now, look, they about to grab these bags. We doing inventory day, right? Inventory day, we getting them bags, we getting this stuff in my store, right? So in the form, guess what? I'm promoting it. It's out coming out my mouth telling y'all like what we doing. We getting the inventory out the store, right? And the first thing y'all probably thinking, what inventory, right? So I got cut off again. I had to hop off the phone. But so I was saying, like, word of mouth is the first form of advertisement, promotion, or anything like that. So with that being said, you guys got to think, what's the best form of getting my business out there? What's the best marketing assets or way I got with all the tools I got? Even if you don't have no money, your best marketing should be social media because it's free, right? Your best marketing should be, I need to tell my friend to tell their friends, and we all could be friends, and like, remember that? And we all could make a bag together, and we all could show each other, we all could promote each other, especially if we're in the same field. Or I know somebody who like purses, and she probably knows somebody who like purses, so I need to tell her I got purses for sale, and maybe she could tell her friends that I got purses for sale, and everybody could promote me, and word of mouth, best advertisement, is gonna keep spreading. Or I could do like this, right? So I can hop out my car on my social media and say, look, right here, that's my mama right here. This is, we at Exotic Spot LA. She run Exotic Spot LA. This is Exotic Spot LA, right? We doing inventory at Exotic Spot LA. Turn that down for me. So we doing inventory at Exotic Spot LA. When y'all get a chance, come check out my store. Now this is a form of marketing as I'm teaching y'all something, but I'm marketing everything. You see this? We doing inventory. All the mannequins that's supposed to be up there is down. So all the new bags that's coming in is new inventory. Like I said, that's my mama. She run the store. That's GA right there. And that's Lil Malik right there. These are all the people that run the store and that's in here that's working. So when y'all come greet them. That's a form of marketing, right? So I just introduced y'all to everybody in the store. I'm just showing y'all some of my product and all that stuff. Like I said, word of mouth. So you might see something. Oh my God, Terry got this. Oh, I've been looking for this for a bathing suit. Or I've been looking for this for my man. Oh, he even got... He got nipple covers. He got, oh my God, he got sexual stuff. He got a lollipop in for the private. That's all form of marketing, right? It's a reverse psychology form of marketing how I'm doing it. Because I'm not saying, hey man, I got this. Y'all need to come buy this. Y'all need to come do this. I'm giving y'all some game, but I'm also, shameless plug, promoting my store, promoting my business and stuff like that, right? So with that being said, when you ask me different forms of marketing and different forms of different stuff like that, you have to think what tools you have to invest. Like some people don't have no money, so you don't have the capital to invest in promotions, advertisement, and stuff like that. So you got to think of free ways to get your business out there. You have to think in your head, okay, I got $0, but what's the best way to get my business out there? It's what? Your mouth. It's free to tell a motherfucker, it's free to tell somebody that you got a business, right? It's free to tell somebody that, oh, go to my social media and check me out. You might like what you see. It's free if you got a cell phone. Well, it's not free. If you pen a cell phone or whatever, if you go, matter of fact, it is free because you go get an Obama phone. They giving out cell phones, Obama phone, and take pictures of whatever you got to offer. And if I want to take a picture of this outfit right here, right? I don't have no money. I go on the corner, they might got Obama phone, especially like in California, LA. On every corner, they giving out Obama phones. I'm going to take a picture of this outfit right here, right? And then I'm going to go on social medias, Instagram, Facebook. I'm going to make me a page to say, let's say your name is John Doe. John Doe Clothing, John Doe Boutique, whatever. See, in the back of this store, y'all see in the back, all these walls normally be filled. But like I said, we took down the mannequins because you see them over there, they filling. Look at my boy G. Y'all say what's up to the camera, man.
What's up?
Look, this Malik, man. This young man right here, you know, he trying something new. We getting him going. Look, y'all see that? Look, show him what you got, Malik. Show him your merchandise. See, that fast. I just promoted this and marketed this to y'all, right? And introduced y'all to Malik and GA so y'all know when y'all come into this store. You kind of get what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, I just gave y'all some free game, but also at the end of the day, I just plugged my clothing in my store, right? In the background of this video while you watching, guess what else you doing? You seeing something you might like. This is all form of marketing. See, they ain't going to teach y'all this. This is the free game that I give people on these videos and have y'all pay. Don't watch it all the way through and don't understand what's what. So I'm giving y'all this free game. I told y'all I'm going to stop doing this real soon. Y'all going to have to go to my OnlyFans or something because a lot of people ain't paying attention. Boom. I just promoted that. Look. Boom. I just promoted that. So that's all form of marketing, right? So let me get out of here doing these shameless plugs. Hold on. I got to get these. I got to get these slides and show y'all. Look. That's all marketing. So when y'all hit me up on my page asking about how you market, how you make your business successful, how you do stuff like that, it's all part of this, word of mouth. I'm telling y'all right now what I got as I'm teaching y'all how to market. So that was the lesson for the day on marketing, is word of mouth. That's the best thing I'm going to give you. Like I said, even if you don't got it, I don't want to hear nothing about nothing. Like, look, I could come in this store right here in my homeboy smoke shop. Like I said, we all know the smoke shop game, right? A lot of people hit me up about that. But guess what? I'm showing my homeboy smoke shop on marketing. So y'all know next door to Exotic Spot, it's a smoke shop y'all can come up to. Word of mouth. So now y'all watch this video, y'all might say, oh, go check out Terry's video. Now somebody who been in LA looking for some blunts or a smoke shop to come to, they know that's right next door to Exotic Spot, right? That is form of marketing. That is a form of marketing. Or word of mouth, a person walking by, you introduce, hey, I'm trying to sell. That's word of mouth. Listen, that's the big, I don't care what nobody else tell you. They can say, oh, go pay this, go do that. If you want to get off your feet in this game, word of mouth is the best time. And I'm doing this video, like I say, my store not even full because we took everything down. But to make a long story short, word of mouth. Nothing else. That should answer everybody's question. I keep saying word of mouth, repetitive and over. Why being? Because a lot of people hit me up the same thing. I don't know where to start. I don't know how to market. Come on, y'all. How you hit me up and asking that question, you could be hitting the next person up saying, what do you like? What would you buy? Like, what type of stuff you do? You know why a lot of big companies do surveys and stuff like that? Answer that in the comments. Why do big companies do surveys and want to ask for your emails and want to do stuff like that? Why being? Because they trying to figure out, what do you like? What can we get you to buy and to keep you coming? What can we do to make you come back to us? You kind of get what I'm saying? And that's the same thing. So what I do to make people know who I am and make things people where I am, when I say free game, like I tell you, I don't do nothing for free. Everything is a motive. Free game is because the game that I'm getting, the stuff I'm saying really costs in real life. But I'm giving it to y'all because I'm also plugging myself. You might see something you like. You kind of get what I'm saying? You might see something you like. So with that being said, that's the best marketing tool, or what I could say and stuff like that, is word of mouth, best advertisement, marketing, use Instagram, social media, all that stuff free. There should be no excuse of why you hit me up and I go to your page and you ain't promoting none of your stuff on your social media. Yes, I said that. It should be no excuse that you hit me up for free and I just go to your page and I see you don't got nothing about what your business is about. You got to reverse that. You got to start over. Shameless plug. You see that? Shameless plug. With that being said, Marketing 101. There y'all go. So when y'all ask them questions, y'all share this video with y'all friends. Y'all might no telling who might can learn from it. Once again, Lil Malik, he's 17. He up in here working. He trying to get to it. Y'all see? Look, he mad. He don't like. He got it. You feel me? He's still going through the age where he learning. Look, get me off camera. All right, I'm gonna see y'all later, man. Y'all like, y'all subscribe, y'all comment if y'all kind of get what I'm saying, or if not, let me know to stop doing this shit. Peace out.